Okay, so this is the tutorial how to make a text engine, and for this we need with this griffpactch tutors bitmap font asset, link in the description. We will remix this and then we delete the thumbnail, please. Okay, then we go to the events, drag out the green click box, and this is a hard part technically. Now we need a maybe we really need to delete these stuff. But instead of deleting everything, we will not delete the txt and xx. That will be our index, whatever. Now let's set txt to answer. But what question to answer? It will be text. And then text engine tutor. Okay, then we will set our xx variable to 1 and repeat length of okay, so we have to do length of txt divided by 25. 25 length of txt. Okay, let's throw this into there, and now yes, now we have to do the stamping and everything, because this is a pen text content, not a clone. Not many people have made these, but first we'll erase all. Then we go and duplicate this, throw this away, and repeat 25 times. We repeat 25 times. Okay. Stamp. But before that, we have to do. Oh, I forgot one crucial part. Please go here. Okay. We do here. Go to X. Go to X. Yes. X minus 200. Since English is left to right, and Y will be 100. Now, before these, let's throw this away. This is a very tricky part. Which costume to? Since griffpactch has named the costumes, we don't need to name them. So switch costume to letter XX of txt and stamp. And then we move the by. Okay, now we need some measurements. As you can see, almost every single letter, every single alphabet, every single thing has the height of you did not guess it, 8. Some things are shorter but none are longer, and we don't need to care about that. So we change we change y by negative, not 6, not 8, because then it would be slightly overlapping. We need some number slightly bigger than it, like negative 10. So let's test. I'm just gonna type snagit and space. Now we are gonna select all of this, copy, paste. Okay, after doing that, we can see, oh, we might have done a problem. So what was the problem that led this to go here? You might not know, but it's the problem that it is not centered on the screen. Come on, Scratch. Now we need to somehow break the limits. We need to do negative, as much negative as you can. Okay, now let's type snagit, and do this, copy, paste. Now we wait. I think there's a problem with griffpactch. This sans serif font. So I'm just gonna import the other font, which whatever. Don't do the mistake like me and choose the griffpactch sans serif font. Let's try to fix this. It's letter XX of TXT. Oh, there's a big problem. We had to change the XX variable. Okay, that was pretty mad. Yes, I was pretty mad. Okay, snagit. I'm actually capturing using snagit. You don't even know. Copy. Now when we paste this, it shows this crazy mess. That's because it should be right here. Sorry guys, but there is a big problem in griffpactch font asset. You should use the griffpactch. This sans serif font. And sorry, but you have to center all of this. Sorry, you have to center everything. Since I'm lazy and I already have an older text engine, I'm not gonna fix it. So you do it yourself.